Hello बच्चों, the question says evaluate the following integrals. Integral 1 by under root x into 1 plus 1 by x into dx. Okay. So बच्चों सबसे पहले हम यहाँ पे की कॉन्सेप्ट डिस्कस कर लेते हैं. Okay. So the key concept is integral x to the power n into dx that is equals to x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Okay. Where n is not equal to minus 1. Okay बच्चों. And second point is a to the power m into a to the power n that is equals to a to the power m plus n. Okay बच्चों. And one more concept we know 1 by a to the power m can be written as a to the power minus m. Okay. Now let's try to solve the question given to us. यहाँ आप देखें हमें क्वेश्चन में क्या गिवन है इंटीग्रल 1 by root under x into 1 plus 1 by x into dx. So this can be written as 1 by root under x को क्या लिख सकते हैं x to the power minus 1 by 2 into dx प्लस ये हो जाएगा इंटेग्रल x to the power minus 1 by 2 into x to the power minus 1 into dx. ओके सो फर्दर इसको हम क्या लिख सकते हैं इंटेग्रल x to the power minus 1 by 2 into dx प्लस integral x to the power minus 1 by 2 minus 1. So this will be minus 3 by 2 into dx. Now, so let me write it once again. So here it is x to the power minus 1 by 2 into dx plus integral x to the power minus 3 by 2 into dx. So again इसको क्या लिख सकते हैं x to the power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by minus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus x to the power minus 3 by 2 plus 1 divided by minus 3 by 2 plus 1 plus integrating constant c. अब इसको सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे तो 1 minus 1 by 2 1 by 2 2 will go into the numerator x to the power 1 by 2 plus अब यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा 1 minus 3 by 2 so 1 minus 3 by 2 so that will be equal to minus 1 by 2 so 2 will go into the numerators that will be 2 into x to the power 1 minus 3 by 2 that is minus 1 by 2 plus c. तो यहाँ पे हम क्या कर सकते हैं 2 कॉमन ले लेंगे तो ये हो जाएगा x to the power 1 by 2 is nothing but root x minus 1 by root x plus integrating constant c, and that's the final answer of the question. Okay बच्चों, so I hope you understood it. All the best. Thank you.